WREG in Memphis. This is News Channel 3 at 4:30.
Topping the news at 4:30, the sentencing date for two of the former Memphis police officers who pleaded guilty in the death of Tyre Nichols remains in limbo. Good afternoon, everyone, and thank you for staying with us. I'm Alex Coleman.
And I'm April Thompson. Desmond Mills and Emmett Martin were scheduled to be in court this morning, but the case was once again reset. WREG's Quamitra Wilburn spoke to one of their attorneys who explained what's behind the delay.
Once again, the state sentencing of Desmond Mills Jr. and Emmett Martin III has been delayed. Both entered guilty pleas in the beating death of Tyre Nichols several months ago. In court Thursday morning, Judge James Jones Jr. reset the hearing to October 3rd, which comes after the defendant's report date in federal court. Mills' defense attorney, Blake Ballin, says what happens in federal court will determine their next steps at the state level.
Since we were last year in state court, there have been some movement in federal court. Judge Littman has a number of motions in front of her. She looks like she's going to rule on those in the next 6 weeks or so.
In June, WREG reported that defense attorneys filed motions or planned to file motions calling for a new trial or for the government to release more information about the case.
If a new trial is granted, that will change a lot of things in the state system. If it's not, then we'll proceed to sentencing, which is in late December.
Martin and Mills entered plea deals with the federal government before Darius Bean, Demetrius Haley, and Justin Smith were convicted of federal charges tied to Nichols' death. All were scheduled to be sentenced at an earlier date, but that changed when U.S. District Judge Mark Norris recused himself from the case. Ballin says Mills, who is out on bond, remains patient since he has a deal with the state that cannot be implemented until after the federal sentencing. However, he can't say the same for the other defendants.
Mr. Martin doesn't have a state deal at this point. He might be getting a little more frustrated based on the fact that he may end up wanting a trial in state court. I don't know what his plans are. But Mr. Mills essentially has all of his matters resolved. He is simply waiting to be sentenced in federal court.
Reporting for your news leader, Quamitra Wilburn, WREG News, Channel 3.
Again, both Martin and Mills will be back in state court October 3rd. The judge says since Martin is still in federal custody, he will make his court appearance via Zoom.